Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LOQED Touch. This is the only smart lock that opens our door with a single touch. And this is a really cool thing because you can upgrade your home with that, with the standard edition or with the black edition. Effortless access. We can open our doors, and this will be really easy. This has never been easier, even with our hands full. Means if we come from a shopping trip or something, our hands are full, and we like to enter into our home, it's no problem for this lock system here. We only need to have our phone in our pocket. It's using Bluetooth, then the lock knows we are near. We can hand out the keys with confidence. We send digital keys to friends, family, and the housekeeper. We can take them back whenever we want. And we stay in the know. We get notified when our, for example, children have arrived home, say when no bellow has had his walk, for example. That means access whatever happens. With the built-in code access and the jump start connector, we will always be able to enter our home. The most secure lock out there. The lock has been awarded the highest achievable European EN 1303 and EN 15684 and SKG 3-star certification, combined with end-to-end encryption. Hackers and burglars don't stand a chance. They value our privacy, and we keep our data securely stored in Europe. That's smarter than ever before. We unlock our door with a simple touch. We open and lock the door wherever we are on the planet. And for emergency, code access is available. We can send digital keys to friends and family. We allow guests without the app to open the door with just the link. And we jumpstart connector in case that the lock ran out of battery. So we can enter whatever happens. And we have automatically lock or unlock at a set time, for example. That's good for shop owners. We set time schedules for housekeeping and guests. Voice control with Google Home and Alexa and so on, if you like. And we check if the door is locked in the app. Hardened steel drill protection and robust stainless steel design is guaranteed. We get notified when the door is opened. Locked versus other smart locks means this is a nice system. Easy one-touch access. Integrated code and access jumpstart connector as a fallback solution. Robust stainless steel design, secure decentralized key storage, and highest European certifications. That's really cool. We have the outside part, which is patent touch to open display with the built-in code access. We have the inside part, which is door handle with backplate. We have a bridge to connect with our Wi-Fi. We have batteries included, with the battery life up to a year. And a certified cylinder. It works with more Google Home, Lock Zone, and with your Apple Watch, for example. And everything we need is we have to install this, of course. But it's not so hard. It fits to the Euro cylinder, multi-point and single points, regular and anti-plug pulling, and key and handle operated locks. You see, it's a big possibility which is compatible with it. Nearly all over Europe. I think it's possible to install this. As you can see at my door, it was no problem to install this. If we are inside, we can turn the knob to lock the door manually. If we are outside, we simply close the door. We touch to the lock and it will show on the display, and we can tap one of the touch buttons to lock the door. Of course, we can always lock the door with the LOQED app too. The installation can be done in 20 minutes and it only requires a screwdriver. I think in my case here, of course, I made a video about this project too. It was 1 hour, I think. But I made videos, okay? So I think you can perform this in 30 minutes. No drilling is needed. We can also get one of a professional installation guy out there. We can book them, no problem. The easiest way to enter our house is the locked system. So far, really. And I installed a couple of smart locks on doors before. We open our door with a finger touch. Our phone communicates wirelessly with our lock and straight from our pocket. If you are nearly at the lock outside, it will see you because of the Bluetooth function, wireless, and then it will wake up. And if you touch on the opening screen, there I think it's approximately 3 up to 5 seconds after this, the door will open straight from our pocket. We does not have to take our smartphone and hold it in front of the lock or something. Only our finger. It locks our door automatically too, with a single touch or a set time. And access, whatever happens. We use a personal access code to open the door if we forget our phone. Thanks to the backup power feature, we can forget about the batteries too. And we open our door remotely for family and friends using the LOQED app. We can allow anyone access wherever we are. Grant access to the housekeeper or dog walker at the set time. We share digital keys with anyone and revoke access remotely just as an easy line. The most secure lock there is. The Touch Smart Lock has the highest achievable 3-star SKG security certification and the same 256-bit encryption banks used to safeguard our information. And last trips to the door thanks to the open house mode, which allows anyone access without needing to use a phone or a code. Plus, we get instantly notified when people arrive and stay up to date with the activity log. The installation is really easy done within a simple screwdriver and takes around 30 minutes. No drilling is needed. The lock touch replaces our inside door furniture. We keep our existing outside door furniture too. And it is a good step-by-step process in my video, of course, but LOQED on lock.com helps you, takes a hand with you, and goes straight to the installation process too, if you like. But of course you can show my installation video as well, because this was a nice installation and an easy installation. And after I installed that system, it's really easy to set up with the LOQED app. The LOQED app is available on the Play Store or on the App Store of for your iPhone, for your Apple device. And then you can have enter. That means they have to pair each other. That's really easy and nearly automatically. And then you can have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.